How to remove Instagram account from your device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove Instagram account from your device. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to remove an Instagram account from your device, what you can do is first you can open up Instagram, and on the device that you're logged in, first on the account, you want to log it out. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down below and you want to tap on log out of all accounts, and you want to log it out. You want to log out from every account. Now here you can see I have 3 different saved accounts. In order to remove them, what you can do is you can tap on the settings icon that you can see at the top right, then tap on the particular account that you wish to remove, and there you'll see the remove profile option. Simply tap on remove and it'll get removed. So this way you can remove an Instagram account from your device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.